Hey, what's going on? My name's John Erickson, 6 feet tall, located in Los Angeles, California. I'm available for the shoot dates. I have lots of stunt experience, working with stunt coordinators and doing some self-directed work myself. Probably the most relevant is I was on a moving ostrich, actually riding an ostrich, and I staged a fall where I dropped from the ostrich, which is pretty high up, into a mud puddle when I was doing an adventure travel commercial in Vietnam. We'll throw some footage out there for you to see that. On that commercial, I also did some cliff jumping, did some diving off boats into a sea full of jellyfish, which we found out after the fact. Nothing stinging or poisonous, but a little scary when we realized it. I also did various other things like riding water buffalo, motorcycles, you name it. I've done additional stunt experience where I've gotten my butt kicked or I've kicked butt. I've had things smashed over my back. I've worn a lot of pads, done fight sequences. So when it comes to taking a fall or taking a hit or getting killed, for some reason they always want to kill me in these movies or commercials. I'm the guy that's used to it and I know how to take it. So happy to do these kinds of things. And the trust fall looks like a lot of fun. Anyways, take a look and thanks so much.
Hey, what are you doing, Jim?
I'm taking a digital marketing bootcamp on Simply Learn.
Digital marketing? Lily, what's happening? What are you doing now?
Now, I'm looking at the postgraduate program in Lean Sigma 6.
Wow, this fast?
Yeah, thanks to Simply Learn. The cohort starts next week.
I choose to make every second matter, to capture every moment. The Osmo Mobile takes the shake away from my video, so I never have to worry about losing a memory. All I need to do is snap in my phone. I share rare moments live to inspire friends back home. When making new friends, I want to be in the scene.
Look, hey. He's too old for me, okay? It's not a problem anymore.
Leave him alone! Get off! Get off! Get off!
Oh! Just want to say, my name is Daniel Murphy, and I'm a registered sex offender.